Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where I'm going to walk you through exactly how to read your credit report, what all those numbers, charts, and terms actually mean, and how to understand what's helping or hurting your credit score. Let's get right into it. So first things first. Your credit score is a three-digit number that represents your risk level as a borrower. In simple terms, the higher your score, the lower the risk for lenders. A strong score shows you're reliable with credit, while a low score might signal that you've had some issues managing debt. Next, let's talk about your credit rating. This is basically a rank that tells you where your score falls within 5 different credit score brackets. These brackets are often shown in a color-coded legend ranging from poor to excellent, so you can easily see how you're doing overall. Now, one of the most important sections of your credit report is the contributing factors, also known as key contributing factors or KCFS. These show you exactly what's influencing your score. If you see a KCF with an upward arrow, that means it's helping your credit. On the flip side, a downward arrow means that factor is pulling your score down. You'll also notice little arrows under impact. The more arrows there are, the bigger the effect that factor has on your score, whether positive or negative. Another helpful part of your credit report is the score history section. This is where you'll find a visual timeline of your monthly credit score using colored dots. Each dot represents a month, and its color tells you which credit bracket your score was in that month. This is a great way to track how your score has changed over time and spot trends like improvements or sudden drops, so you can understand what might have caused them. So to sum it up, your score tells lenders how risky you are, your credit rating shows where you fall on the scale, contributing factors explain why your score is what it is, and the score history helps you track your progress over time.